Hi, welcome to another video. So let's get started with our quote of the day. It's going to be Jonah chapter 2 verse 2. He said, "In my distress I called to the Lord, and he answered me. From deep in the realm of the dead I called for help, and you listened to my cry." Okay, so that's our quote of the day. And today's topic is going to be copying files remotely. We're going to use the copy-item command in the ToSession. So let's get started. Okay, so in Powershell you could use like the copy command, like the copy item commandlet with the ToSession parameter, and this allows you to copy files to a remote machine, and you can do it over the active session like what we've been doing for the last few days using the PS session. So this is especially useful for when you want to get files over to another machine. Obviously there are a lot more easier ways to do it, drag and drop as well, copy and paste. This is another way if you want to do it if you want to do it through programming. So this is like one of the ways to do it. So let's get started. Here we are going to create our session here. Okay. And as we know, it's going to be new -ps session. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to do our credential. Oh, I forgot to put the dash there. There we go. Alright, so what this command is going to like open a PowerShell session, remote session, and then it'll store it in this variable. So let's do that. Okay. All right. Okay, so I cleared the screen. So let's check to see if that session is there. So this is how you know if there's a session in place. There you go, it is. Alright, so let's work on our copy command. So first we got to let's just verify a file is available here. Alright, so we're going to do test local file and .txt. So let's do that. And okay, so that's under our C local scripts. So now we're going to put in the copy command path since we already know that we have a session available. Alright, so the source path will always be your local path. Local path will mean this machine that we're on right now. Okay. And remember it was on the C local path. Gotta put that in quotes, don't forget. And then it was a local test file, I believe. Let's just double check. Test local file, and it's under C local scripts. C local scripts. Alright, so I think I got it there, and then we're going to go to our destination, which will be dash destination. Okay, and then we put, this will be the remote path. So remember our remote path, we could use C scripts. Okay. And once we have that in there, now we have to put, since this is the remote direction, now we have to declare this session, so we'll know you want to apply it to this session, which is the one that we're connected to, which is the one above here. So ToSession, and since we already stored our session in the variable session, it will know where to get it from. Alright, so this is what we did. So pretty much you declare your session variable, which we did before I clear the screen, and then we run our copy command. The source will always be your files from this local machine, and then you declare where your script location on the remote machine, and then the session that applies to that remote machine that you want to that's connected to. So let's hit enter and see what we get. Okay, so the file must have went over, so let's go back and check our directory on our remote machine. So this is our remote machine here, and then we're going to go over to our C scripts folder. I think it was test local. Oh, it was test file remote, that was it, yeah. No, it was, no, sorry, test local file. As you can see in the date timestamp matches up today. So this is the file here. So it worked. So that's how you use your copy command. And you could also do this with directories as well. So pretty much you just put the folder in the source here, and then you just put this the folder for the destination that you want to go to, and then the only thing you would add at the end of this, so if you want to copy the files in there too, you just you'll just type dash, sorry, it'll be dash recurse after this ToSession variable parameter, and that's it. So let's close off. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's close off our quote of the day, which is Jonah chapter 2 verse 2. And it's going to say, he said, "In my distress I called to the Lord, and he answered me. For deep in the realm of the dead I called for help, and you listened to my cry." Okay, don't forget to read your Bible, and don't forget to, if you're not going to church, try to find a good Bible-based church, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.